Skin health and great sex go hand in hand. To enjoy sex to the max, you must have great skin, great healthy skin for that matter. Now, many skincare ads sell through sex, but most ads focus on the face. And let's face it, no pun intended, the face has very little to do with enjoying sex. Most of the sexy work takes place on the entire body and the privates. So the skin over most of the body and the privates must be in great shape in addition to the face. Dr. Yuval Bibi, dermatologist, mission break you out of the skincare matrix of stupid distractions and get you the best sexy skin of your life. First, a disclaimer. If you're experiencing any persistent and significant sexual dysfunction, consult your physician immediately. This video would be a great addition to managing your general health with the help of your physician. It is not a substitute for personally tailored advice and prescription by a physician that knows you personally. Second, always practice safe sex. New partner? Not sure about their health status? Speak with them, with both of you disclosing any sexual or other issues you may have, and take this burden off your back so you can both relax and enjoy your time together. Use a condom when appropriate. Do not make stupid mistakes. Third, take care of your general health. Eat right, exercise, work out regularly, get fit, and stay fit. Great skin is no substitute and actually goes hand in hand with being in great shape. So what is sex-ready skin? Well, sex-ready skin has a great and intact skin barrier and is generally free of irritation and is unlikely to get irritated with friction or with pressure, which are both integral parts of the sexual intercourse. A great plus is that when the skin is in great shape, you can act with confidence, attract your partner, and maybe even inspire your partner to take better care of her skin. So let's break down these requirements one by one. A great skin barrier starts with doing no harm or as little of it as possible. That means cutting out any abrasive practices, so-called cleansing practices out of your routine and your vocabulary. So the use of soaps, shower gels, body washes, cleansers, anything that comes in a bottle or a bar, whatever they want to call it. And the ugly brothers, the physically abrasive cousins, such as the scrubs, the exfoliants, the loofahs, the brushes, the washcloths, the scrunchies, the exfoliating gloves, even running your hand on the skin in circular or linear motion. All these things are physically and chemically abrasive to the skin, harming your skin barrier by default. You need to minimize those as soon as possible. Maintain and restrict cleansing or so-called cleansing to the skin folds where body odor is made if that is a concern. That would be the only area where you would get any benefit, if you want to call it that, from cleansing. So use soap under the armpits, groin, and butt crack as needed for body odor. Skip the rest of the body using only lukewarm water with absolutely no scrubbing ever for as long as you live. There's absolutely no reason for it or sense to it. It is only abrading and irritating your skin. Pat yourself dry when you get out of the shower. And if you have any dry areas on the skin, use an occlusive moisturizer such as Butter Oasis or Butter Blossom Moisturizing Balm. Chap your lips as needed and apply either one of those balms to dry areas on the hands, on the arms, on the legs, and on the privates if need be. With decreased cleansing, you'll need to moisturize a whole lot less and your moisturizing need will decrease dramatically. But obviously play it by ear and address your skin needs as they come. Maintain your skin free of irritation. Skin that's well moisturized and not regularly undermined tends to stay healthy. However, if you develop any sort of skin irritation, persistent skin irritation that won't go away, like eczema, pimples, or any other skin irritation, see your dermatologist promptly to manage the issue, make it go away, or at least control it in the best way possible. Don't let anything slide. Put your best skin forward. Hair removal has become very popular over the past few decades. Shaving and any form of hair removal are highly abrasive practices. I would minimize hair removal to the bare minimum. However, you must be presentable as well. So trim your ear hair, nose hair, your eyebrows if you have to. Obviously, maintain your facial hair in the best way possible. And when it comes to body hair, use your best judgment as well. When it comes to shaving or removing pubic hair, I'm not a big fan, as that opens you up to more irritation by removing the cushioning that the pubic hair provides, as well as opening you up to infection, namely genital warts. However, if you must remove pubic hair, do it in the least abrasive way possible with either laser hair removal, waxing, or with shaving using a sharp razor and a shaving foam or shaving gel. Once you're done with the removal, especially using shaving foam or shaving gel, rinse the product away. Do not rub it away. Do not ever exfoliate the area before, during, or after shaving, as that is just stupid and setting you up for more irritation over the area. Once you're done with the hair removal session, be sure to compensate for the abrasive nature of the hair removal by applying the occlusive moisturizer, either one of the moisturizers that I'd mentioned earlier, Butter Oasis or Butter Blossom Moisturizing Balms, to allow the skin to recover under the protective occlusion of the products. Generally, great looking skin will be well hydrated and moisturized, free of irritation, and not likely to get irritated. You'll have way more fun in the bedroom and outside of it. Now go get 'em, Tiger. Let me know in the comment section how this video helped you prepare your skin for sex. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more no BS skincare advice. See you next time. God bless.